Okay, so just shortly here after the bell for the close of July, we have a bearish outside day. Took out both sides of prior day's candle and had a fairly strong close here at the end. We did not at this moment take out the prior day low, but we'll see what happens here in the overnight. But a very big, strong rotation here, or at least a big, strong pullback or retrace from the all-time high we set this morning. Took out that all-time high and then sold off for the balance of the day. Let's go into the daily here. You can see yesterday's FOMC meeting bar right here and the subsequent Mag 7's earnings that took place right through here. That momentum here popped us up during the overnight. The Asian London session popped up, and then we had everything moving downhill and failure. And then right off the open, we pushed down, and then we broke down through. Starting to tag these downside targets. Did have a little pullback here. This was kind of the money entry right here, and we'll dig into that here on the 10-minute. So there was a ton of good quality movements today. So let's go through. This is the daily. I want the 10-minute here. Okay, so let's go through the daily here. As the morning was setting up, I was looking for this failed breakdown right here. This pattern. It looks good. The deltas on here were very non-convincing. So as we broke down here and did get this somewhat of a hanging hammer candle here, this was exactly what I was looking for. This candle up here failed to reclaim VWAP. Compression on these candles here, very low delta, and we rotated back down again. So on the downside here, what we ended up having shortly just before the 10 o'clock hours, we got a poke through. We had a pullback and then a rip right to the downside. This entry here, I did end up missing, but this one here from target 1 to target 2, I did claim. On this candle right here, we had about 1,000 or so on this negative push up. And then we had this candle open up with about 2,300 aggressive buyers pushing this thing back up. They failed, rotated back down. My sell stop went right at the body low here. And as soon as this candle flipped red, I got tagged in and rode this thing down for 10 points just to target 2 here. And then we popped back up over here. And the next entry was right on the breakdown here, or you could wait right through here for this pullback. But there's another nice run to the downside here. And then for some bonus points, for those of you that were not satisfied yet, we did end up coming down here and taking out that prior day low, which I believe was like 65, I want to say 66. Like right here on this tag right here is when we started to take out that prior day low, creating that outside day, or 64, I want to say. So we tagged it by just a few points to the downside. So moving into tomorrow, so now we're going to essentially have this daily gap now filled. So we're going to have to kind of reassess what the overnight wants to do, whether we're going to produce further down. But the pattern or the tendency off of these bearish outside days with strong close is continuation. So we're going to look for that to set up. Hopefully we get some sideways action, maybe a slight pop up here, be even better. And we'll look for that break of the low if that does indeed develop tomorrow. And then we'll start looking for these downside targets here and here. Okay.
Hey everyone, it's Dale here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like to trade alongside me and our team of prop firm funded traders every day, then click the link below the video and hop aboard. We are looking forward to trading with you.